A new year, a fresh start. It's a time filled with hope and new beginnings. As we welcome the new year, we often think about resolutions and ways to improve our lives. One of the best ways to start fresh is by deep cleaning our homes. Before we do that, please take a second to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the bell so you don't miss any new episodes. This is a great time to clean your home. Deep cleaning is important. It's not just about tidying up. It's about creating a space that feels rejuvenated and ready for the year ahead. When we deep clean, we go beyond the surface. It makes our homes healthy. Removing dust, allergens, and bacteria from every corner helps us breathe easier and live healthier lives. A clean home reduces the risk of illness and creates a safer environment for everyone. It makes our homes peaceful. A clutter-free space can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. When everything is in its place, our minds can relax, and we can enjoy our surroundings more fully. Deep cleaning means cleaning everything. It's about tackling those areas we often overlook during our regular cleaning routines. Not just the things we see every day. We clean under furniture, we clean inside drawers. We reach those hidden spots that accumulate dust and grime over time. We clean things we forget about. This includes the tops of cabinets, behind appliances, and other neglected areas. Sometimes we even find forgotten treasures or items we thought were lost. When we deep clean, we feel happy. Our homes feel lighter. There's a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that comes from knowing every corner of our home is clean and organized. We are ready for the new year. A clean home sets the stage for new beginnings and fresh opportunities. It's a way to clear out the old and make room for the new. We are ready for new possibilities. With a clean and organized home, we can focus on our goals and dreams for the year ahead. Deep cleaning is more than just a chore. It's a way to start the new year with a clear mind and a hopeful heart. Some cleaning is daily, some cleaning is weekly, but some cleaning is only once a year. This is annual cleaning, it's the big stuff, and it's easier when we all help. What are some annual cleaning tasks? We wash our curtains, we clean our carpets, we organize the garage, we clean out closets, we donate what we don't need, we make space for new things. Leave us a comment below sharing some of your yearly cleaning tasks. Cleaning can be fun. Yes, really! We can make cleaning a game. We can make it a family activity. Put on some music, dance while you dust, have a contest. Who can clean the fastest? Give everyone a job. Even little ones can help. When we work together, cleaning is faster and more fun. Real families, real cleaning. Here are some examples in action. Let's explore how different families turn the mundane task of cleaning into a fun and engaging activity that brings everyone together. The Smiths make cleaning an adventure. They have found a way to transform their chores into a playful experience that everyone looks forward to. They pretend to be pirates. With eye patches and pirate hats, they embark on a quest to find hidden treasures around the house. They search for treasure to donate. This not only makes cleaning fun, but also teaches the children the value of giving and helping others. The Lees, on the other hand, have a different approach. They love music. For them, cleaning is an opportunity to turn up the volume and let loose. Cleaning becomes a dance party. With their favorite tunes blasting, they dance their way through the chores, making it a lively and energetic experience. These families show us something important. They demonstrate that cleaning doesn't have to be a dull and tedious task. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring. It can be transformed into an enjoyable activity that everyone in the family can participate in. It can be a time to connect. As families work together, they communicate, share stories, and strengthen their bonds. It can be a time to make memories. These moments of shared effort and joy create lasting memories that the family will cherish for years to come. So the next time you face a pile of chores, remember the Smiths and the Lees and turn your cleaning routine into a fun and memorable family activity. A clean home, a happy home, reaping the rewards. We did it! The house is clean. Everything sparkles. The hard work has paid off, and now we can see the results of our efforts. The floors are spotless, the windows gleam, and every surface shines. It's a transformation that brings a sense of accomplishment and pride. We can relax and enjoy our clean home. The atmosphere is serene and inviting. It's a place where we can unwind after a long day, knowing that everything is in its place. The clutter is gone, and with it, the chaos that once filled our minds. A clean home feels good. It reduces stress. When our surroundings are tidy, our minds can be at ease. We can focus better, think more clearly, and feel more at peace. The simple act of cleaning can have profound effects on our mental well-being. It gives us more energy. With a clean home, we feel more motivated to engage in activities we love. Whether it's exercising, playing with the kids, or simply enjoying a hobby, a tidy space encourages us to be more active and enthusiastic. A clean home brings us joy. The laughter and smiles come more easily when our environment is pleasant. It's a joy that permeates every moment, making our time at home more enjoyable and fulfilling. Cleaning together makes us closer. It's a shared experience that fosters teamwork and cooperation. As we work side by side, we strengthen our bonds and create lasting memories. It's not just about the end result, but the journey we take together. We work as a team. We help each other. We create happy memories. A clean home, a happy family, the perfect combination. The sense of unity and accomplishment we feel is unmatched. Every task completed is a step towards a happier, healthier home. Together, we build a sanctuary of love and cleanliness, where every member feels valued and cherished. Thanks for spending time with us here today. We'll see you soon in the next episode.